Hello grade 4NC, welcome to our new video lessons in TLE4. We are now in quarter 1, week 7 and 8. The reference that I am using for this lesson from TLE4. It can be found on page 36. Your teacher, Mr. Ray D. Monticelio. At the end of this lesson, you're expected to know the steps in creating the table in word processor. Please prepare the following: your ballpen and paper. This is a sample worksheet paper that you are going to use. In this video lesson class, we will learn together analyzing information using the ICT. What should be done with the information you got from the internet? How would you use them properly? Having a lot of information will require you to organize and process them. One of the tools that can help you to do it is the word processor. Word processing. The word processor is the tool used for creating a document. This document can be saved in a computer disk, just like, for example, document for your exam, document for your project, and document for the office. A document is created by typing letters through the keyboard. If one needs a hard copy, documents can always be printed. You can also make a table or chart for a better presentation of the information by using the word processor. Here are the steps in creating a table. You can refer this lesson in your TLE book on page 37. First, in creating a table, find Insert on the tab and click it. Second, under the Insert, find the table and click it. Third, choose the kind of the table that you will use from the list that will appear. Fourth, arrange the size of the rows and columns according to your need. This is a sample picture in creating a table. Let's have a steps in creating a chart. You can refer this lesson in your TLE book on page 38. First, find Insert on the table and click it. Second, under the Insert tab, find the chart and click it. Third, choose the kind of a chart that you will use from the list that will appear. Column, line, pie, and bar charts are the most common kinds of charts that people use. Chart. This is a sample picture in creating a chart. Here, we have electronic spreadsheet, workbook. Electronic spreadsheet, a computer program which has built-in features and tools like functions, formulas, charts, and data analysis that help to make activities with a large number of data easier. Spreadsheet, it is a file that can store a large amount of data. The basic storage unit of a spreadsheet file is a table. In the table, data are arranged in rows and columns for better organization and analysis of the information. Workbook. It is related in a worksheet wherein there is a single page or a sheet. Here, we have the steps in creating a table in a spreadsheet. First, in a worksheet, select the range of cells you want to include in the table. Cells may be input or content, and they also may be clear. Second, find Table under the Insert tab and click. As an alternative, you can just use shortcut keys Ctrl-L and Ctrl-T. Third, if the selected range of cells have input or data that you want to make as table headers, just select My Table Headers checkbox. Fourth, after creating a table, Table Tools and Design tabs will appear. You can use Design tab to put designs or colors to the table you made. Here, we have the picture on how to create a chart using spreadsheet. First, click the kind of chart that you want to create under the Insert tab. There are different kinds of chart, column, line, pie, and many more. Second, highlight the data that you want to include in the chart. Choose the kind of chart that you will use. After this, the chart will appear in the worksheet. You may now choose the design, layout, and format that you want for your chart. Now, we have sort and filter. This is a sample picture for the sort and filter. First, highlight the data that you want to sort and filter and find sort filter under the ribbon. Third, choose the kind of the filtering and sorting that you want to do. You can sort from A to Z or Z to A, and you can also customize it depending on what you want. Class, to check your understanding, let's have a test. For your test 1, copy and answer on your paper. Arrange the following steps on how to create a table, chart, and to sort and filter. Answer A, B, and C. For your test 2, make a table like the sample below using the computer and print out. Interview some of your classmates, at least 3 in the messenger, and find out how much they spend their daily allowance during school days. Use white long band paper. Always remember, class, all paper activities should be kept and pass it on the next submission date every Monday. Video lesson in TLE subject has ended. Thank you for listening and goodbye.